Food Fiesta Negra guy.
He just want to promote his store. What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. So yeah, I came out here to check on some of the work, and then I wanted to show you guys this famous prawn mee at Beach Road. It's really busy on Sunday. I mean, I work around here, so I always see this store, but never on a Sunday, because I usually play football on Sunday, which I'm gonna do it later on. But wow, they are super busy. I think it's only popular on Sunday. I apologize for the audio. Totally forgot about my mic. Anyway, this place is called Blanco Pot Prawn Mee, located on Beach Road and at the corner of Haji Lane. I've ate this quite a lot of time. It's really nice. I think what makes this special is their prawn. It's like cut half. Later I'll show it to you guys. And then the broth itself. There's quite a lot of option that you can choose from pork ribs, pigtail, prawn, and then there's a few variation of noodle that you can choose from as well. But I like my one dry version with a lot of chili and the broth on the side. Honestly, the queue here is really long. I just got lucky because I know the person here, and he was like, one person, come on, I'll get you a table. But yeah, queue is really long. Finally, after 30 minutes wait, even though I got a table, I have to say the food comes pretty slow. Let me just do a close-up of this prawn noodle. Alright, let me just mix it up. So this is how prawn looks like. I like to put it in my soup so that, you know, none of the sauce get into it. And then the rest, just mixed it up. Bad day to be wearing a white shirt. I think I just spilled some chili on it. No. Anyway, let's continue with the noodle. So my bowl of noodle looks really red because I asked them to add in extra chili, but yeah, it's not this red. Still one of the best prawn noodle. I think what makes it really good is the texture of the noodle that they cook, and this yellow noodle, they are like a thinner version of the yellow noodle, and then with a mixture of this white noodle, which I think they typically use that for some of the laksa noodle, and they are like pork lard, what's that, bean sprouts, which is just a really nice combination for this noodle. And I should have brought my mic, because I don't have my mic with me. I'm just like, you know, talking a little loud, and yeah, people are just looking. These pork ribs, they're one of the best out there. Very soft and tender. And the star of the show is actually the broth. Tastes like you're just drinking, like, you know, mashed up prawn. So much prawn flavor in this prawn broth. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, it's just like eating a prawn. So good. This is really, really good. Never finish a bowl of noodle this fast. This is really, really good, guys. Just come out here and try it for yourself. And you know what I'm talking about. Last piece of pork. Done. Devour. Save the best for the last. That was a good lunch.
What'd you know? Talking to him.
Alright, gonna get changed up. Today's a league match here at Tampines Safra. It's a big pitch. Yeah, a little bit tiring to run up and down. I play like left wing back or left back, so yeah, I need some energy. Let's go. So we've been having bad lucks for the past 3 matches. We've lost like at the very last minute, like 90 plus minute, and yeah, it's been really tough for the team. So hopefully today we can get a win. I'm not even excited about, you know, saying that we can get a win, but yeah, I think the whole team and the entire team is giving their best to, you know, to get that first win. This is our 4th match, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, we've drawn 1 and lost 3, so yeah, hopefully we can win today. Alright, let me just show you guys the team.
Yep, yeah.
Sup. My favorite pre-workout, black coffee. My snake is shedding. Shedding season, bro.
My wings are falling too.
Wait, see? Oh, you cannot. Too late. ပြပါအောင် Justin ဟာကောင်းလိုက်လားပြတာ
ညာတော့ပြခိုင်းရမှာမောင်းပြီးမေမေ
ဟာ
ဟိုမှာပြနေဟိုမှာ
Hey bro Let's go I think cannot Go in look Ha This is Atep Justin this is Justin ma Chạy là ha Come on, let's go. What a game, guys. Finally, we got our first win. It was a 5-2 game. Incredible game. It was a live broadcast of this match, and I'm definitely gonna enjoy myself tonight. Definitely gonna watch back. Wow, it was incredible. I think everyone gave their 101%, and I can see it on the pitch. And I'm really thankful for everybody who put in that kind of effort. So yeah, I love you guys, man. Let's keep winning, and let's take this win as a momentum. Let's keep the momentum going. Okay, let's go. This was very helpful. Frying. You have no idea how happy I am right now.
Có đi, ô và lên lại đầu nó thả nóc xuống từ luôn nó.
Alright, that's the live match. I'm gonna enjoy watching that this tonight. So yeah, and probably end the vlog here. I know it was pretty random, but yeah, overall I really enjoy vlogging today. Maybe because of the match as well. So yeah. Anyway, thank you guys so much. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys. Here we go.